There we go. There's some light for y'all. Cranks right up, man. Like I say, man, y'all need to go to WAD Academy. We hustle daily. What's going on YouTube, man? On a late night mission, man. We're about to go and sell this Monte Carlo, the one that I bought yesterday. Yeah, that was yesterday. We're on our way. It's dark out, so I ain't gonna even put the camera on me, man. But man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell for your boy. Make sure y'all follow me on the gram, wehustledaily.co, and make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. Y'all want to learn how to do what Big Play Ray about to do. Sell a car the next day, man. You already know. Hope y'all enjoyed this B-roll footage on the way there. Let's get it. But before we do that, make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com if you want to learn how to make money or end up on the side of the road. Alright, y'all. Got that white thing out. Here's the car. I know y'all probably not gonna be able to see it, but we're about to get this cold start. These folks on their way. Really recording in the dark here, but it is what it is, man. There we go. There's some light for y'all. Cranks right up, man. Like I say, man, y'all need to go to WAD Academy. Y'all want to learn how to do this, man, because guess what? All my stuff be riding and rolling, baby. 152 on the miles. About to pull this thing out, man, but y'all don't remember the Monte Carlo. I'll pull it up a little bit. I like to let them warm up a little bit, but forget to warm up, man. We press for time. Well, y'all could just go watch yesterday's video. I need to move this up anyway. As a matter of fact, so I'm actually about to put the white car right there, but yeah, man, y'all see it at night working, baby. But man, yeah, y'all not gonna be able to see it here, man, so y'all gonna have to just go to the probably most likely yesterday's video and check out the car. But yeah, man, I catch y'all when these folks buy this car. So Y'all see it though. It's next day sale. I gotta put my tag on, gotta start this paperwork. Y'all know how your boy like to do it, so catch y'all in a minute. Cut. Alright, Hustle Nation, and pulling my white car from back here, and y'all see what's going on, man. We got the Monte Carlo sold. They about to pull off. See, watch them pull off. About to pull on off, baby. They about to pull on off. Monte Carlo about to be gone, baby. Y'all see it. So yeah, man, y'all seen we got the Monte Carlo gone, baby. So that's a wrap for that. I'm gonna talk to y'all in 1 second once I get my paperwork and stuff out the whatever, out the office. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So I'll catch y'all in 1 second. And just like that, Hustle Nation, that car is sold. That Monte Carlo, man, that Monte Carlo is gone. Big play rate, still selling cars in a day, man. Y'all see it, man. Next day sale, it's like 9:26 at night right now, but next day sale took all day, but we got that bad boy sold, man. So you know what I'm saying? If y'all want to learn how to do this, man, like I keep telling y'all, man, make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com, because that's where you're going to learn how to buy and sell cars. You see what I'm saying? Y'all didn't see me put no money in that car. You know what I mean? Some of y'all be like, oh, fix the hub in a minute. I ain't fixing nothing, bro. These are used cars. I'm going to get them in and get them out. You know what I mean? Now, when you're buying more expensive cars, okay, you might have to put a little money in the car. You know what I'm saying? But these little cheap cars, man, I'm going to buy them and I'm going to literally sell them the next day, man. So if y'all want to learn how to pick out good cars, then it's like I'm buying good cars, y'all. I'm showing y'all how to buy good cars. A lot of that shit in the auction be trash, you feel me? So I'm showing y'all exactly how to make money. You want to learn how to make money? You might want to go to whdacademy.com. You don't want to end up on the side of the road? You might want to go to whdacademy.com. Like, it's serious, bro. So I'm showing y'all everything I know. I got a lot of tips, a lot of tricks that I use, and y'all see, man, I'm able to buy a car. You know what I'm saying? All I did was put a headlight on that car, and I wouldn't have did that, but it was like broken. So I put a headlight on that car, posted it, next day sold. Like, you see what I'm saying? I gotta show y'all where to post y'all cars, everything for good results. Everything y'all need to know, I'm showing y'all at whdacademy.com. Trust me. But I'm gonna call it a wrap for today's video, man. Short video, but I came out, you know what I'm saying, to get that car sold, man. Make sure y'all go to follow me on the gram, wehustledaily.co, and yeah, man, your boy is sold. Hey, I'm telling y'all, it's the next day. Like, you feel me? So y'all want to learn how to do it? Hey, I got what you need. whdacademy.com. If you don't, end up on the side of the road. But I'm gonna do this paperwork, man, so I can get up out of here. It's your boy Ray. Big play Ray. I'm gone. Peace.